Winter birds. Don't get me wrong, Elsie's my friend. Sometimes I forget she's old when she says funny things, but Mum's never left me before, even when Dad was around. Now she's away for the weekend with Rose. Why couldn't they take me to the caravan by the sea? She said it might be damp. There might not be enough beds. The caravan might have been washed away. Anyway, she promised next time she'll take me. Elsie's going to take me bird watching to Blackford Pond. She says there'll be lots of ducks and swans. You never know what'll be blown in on a winter gale, do you?